Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
CEO of the Professional Football Jamaica Limited, Owen Hill, is steadfast in finding a solution to prevent a recurrence of Sunday's postponement of games in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League due to referees withdrawing their services. On Sunday, Hill says he was surprised by the stance taken by the referees over the non-payment of fees.
A little, caught off guard. Again, unavailability then means that, we're unable to play the games because officiating is a major part of the sport. So not being available, I don't think that's something that is immediate. Probably would have known that beforehand, but it's a little unfortunate.
Meanwhile, Valdin Legister, president of the Jamaica Football Referees Association and a member of the JFF's refereeing committee, says the referees were left with no choice.
The referees haven't been paid close to 3 months now. And I am sure, Sir Scott, you can appreciate that if you are not paid, then that's a big cause for concern.
Arnett Gardens are scheduled to face Dunby Holding tonight at 7:45 p.m. Jamaica women in a must-win game are currently 201 for 4 after 43 overs in their CG United Regional Super 50 Cup clash against Leeward Islands at Warner Park in St. Kitts. Captain Rashada Williams has so far top scored with 86, while Abigail Grice is next best with 45. Amanda Edwards has so far claimed figures of 2 for 42, while Kimberly Anthony and Jazara Claxton have claimed a wicket each. Jamaica must win this game in order to secure a top 2 spot and progress to the finals. And finally, Luka Doncic scored 29 points as the Los Angeles Lakers continued their revival with a 108-102 victory over the Los Angeles Clippers. The guard also recorded 6 rebounds and 9 assists for the Lakers, who have won their past 6 matches. Doncic, who joined the Lakers from the Dallas Mavericks as part of a 3-way team trade last month, has scored at least 20 points in 4 of the past 5 matches. LeBron James scored 17 points and provided 9 assists, and rookie Dalton Connect added 19 points off the bench for the Lakers at the Crypto.com arena. Kawhi Leonard scored a season-high 33 points for the Clippers, who have lost 5 of their past 6 games. The win lifted the Lakers up to second in the Western Conference, while the Clippers stayed 6th in the final playoff place. 3 players were ejected after a melee in the third quarter as Western Conference leaders the Oklahoma City Thunders won 146-132 against the San Antonio Spurs. San Antonio's Julian Champagny and Thunder's Kendrick Williams and Lugens Dort were sent off for their involvement in the incident. Jalen Williams scored a career-high 41 points for the Thunder, who have won 3 straight games. DeAndre Hunter scored 32 points, including a 3-pointer with 30 seconds remaining in overtime as the Eastern Conference leaders, the Cleveland Cavaliers, beat the Portland Trailblazers 133-129 at home. Second place Boston Celtics beat the Denver Nuggets 110-103 at home to claim their first win in 3 games. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Carrie Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.